If you're earning a small income, you've probably thought, I just need to earn more. Then everything will be fine. But here's the uncomfortable truth, most people don't have an income problem. They have a money management problem. Because right now, your money might be working against you, not for you. That's why two people with the same salary end up in completely different financial situations. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple but powerful ways to make your money work harder, even if your income is low. Intro. Most people believe financial success comes from earning more. And yes, income matters. But it's not the starting point. Because if you don't know how to manage a small income, you won't manage a big one either. Wealth is not built from big money. It's built from consistent habits and smart decisions. So instead of waiting for a higher income, let's fix what actually makes the difference. 1. Track your money. If you don't track your money, nothing changes. Because you can't fix what you don't see. Relatable example. You spend a few dollars here and there, coffee, snacks, transport. It feels small. But at the end of the month, it adds up to a surprising amount. Key insight. Money problems are rarely caused by one big mistake. They come from many small, unnoticed decisions. Simple system. Track every expense for 30 days. Group them into categories. Identify invisible spending. Awareness alone can change your behavior. 2. Reduce, don't eliminate, smart saving strategy. Most people fail at saving for one reason, they try to change everything at once. Better approach. Don't eliminate, reduce. Examples. Take a taxi less often, not never. Eat out less, not zero. Cut unnecessary habits gradually. Why this works? Extreme changes don't last. Small changes do. Action plan. Pick 1 to 2 expenses to reduce. Set a realistic monthly saving target. Stay consistent. Consistency beats intensity. 3. Pay yourself first, the game changer rule. Here's a simple shift that changes everything. Stop saving what's left. Start spending what's left. Rule. The moment you receive money, save first. Example. If you earn $500, save $50 immediately. Then adjust your lifestyle to the remaining amount. Why it works? Saving becomes automatic. And your spending adapts naturally. System. Automate your savings. Use a separate account. Treat savings like a bill. This is where financial control begins. 4. Make your money work, even small amounts. Saving is good. But saving alone is not enough. If your money just sits there, it slowly loses value over time. Simple truth. Money either grows, or shrinks. Example. Even $50 per month, invested consistently, can grow into something meaningful over time. Important reminder. Don't chase quick profits. Understand what you're doing. Think long term. Smart strategy. Start small. Stay consistent. Reinvest gains. Your goal is simple, make money work, not just exist. 5. Increase your income, the real growth lever. Saving protects you, but increasing income transforms you. If you only rely on saving, you will hit a limit. But income growth has no ceiling. 1. Turn skills into income. Ask yourself, what can I do that others find valuable? Examples, teaching, design, basic digital skills. 2. Use the internet, massive opportunity. Freelancing, writing, translation, social media work. Start small, grow over time. 3. Simple business model, reselling. Buy low, sell higher. Examples, accessories, clothing, small trending products. 4. Increase income at your job. Learn new skills, ask for a raise, switch to better opportunities. 5. Start building passive income. small investments, digital products, long-term systems. Warning. Avoid get-rich-quick ideas. Fast money usually comes with high risk. Real strategy. Start small. Focus on skills. Stay consistent. Think long-term. Increasing your income is the most powerful move you can make. Core idea. A small income is not your biggest problem. Lack of strategy is. When you combine awareness, control, consistency, growth, you change your financial future. Conclusion. If you follow these 5 steps, track your money, reduce smartly, pay yourself first, make your money grow, increase your income, you will not just survive financially. You will start moving forward. Remember, it's not about how much you earn. It's about how well your money works for you. Engagement, very important for growth. Be honest, what's harder for you right now? A. Saving money. B. Increasing income. Comment A or B, I read every reply. If you want more simple, practical strategies like this, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Your future self will thank you.